Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all. I am Khan Noshin Azhar from the Abdullah Patel English High School and the DRT Junior College, going to teach you the Secretarial Practice subject SP to the 11th Commerce students. So what are the subjects which are related to the commerce student? As you can see this slide, first subject is the bookkeeping, which is based on the accountancy. Second subject is based on the organization of the commerce, where you will learn about the organization management. Third book is based on the economic study. Fourth one is the secretarial practice and some other subjects which are related to the languages. So what you will learn from these textbooks? SP carry the information about the Company Act 2013 Act as well as the old Company Act 1956, as well as it also include the information about the secretary. So what are the highlighted topics which we are going to cover during this session, during this syllabus? First one, your syllabus is started with the meaning of the secretary in the modern timing as well as in the ancient timing. Role and importance as well as the professional skills which are required to be a part of the company as a secretary position. Third one, types of the organization. As we see in our surrounding, there are different types of the organization, like the individual based, partnership, joint stock company, multinational company. So here in the SP we will learn about the deeply information about the types of organization. Next topic, formation of the organization. We know that the company can be started through the individual as well as the group of the member. But what are the procedure? What are the information and what are the formation procedure which a group of the person has to be followed to start up the company? Next topic, documentation. Without the documentation, nothing can be started. So being an organization member, the documentation should be carried out through the Act of the Rule 1956. Next topic, member of the organization. In each and every organization, there are some member who works on the top level as well as the management level. So we will learn all the member of the organization to know more about them, about their rights, about their responsibilities and the duties as well. Meeting levels. We already know meeting is a very important in each and every organization. It is the one of the way of the communication to communicate with all the department. So being a secretary, what are the information should be carried out through the meeting, we will continue in the lesson. Next topic, that is the communication skill maintained by the secretary. The communication, letter writing, which is very important and very useful topic for the secretary as well as for the company, which is required to communicate with the different member as well as the outsider of the company. So all these topics are related to the SP textbook. There are some other topics also. We will continue each and every topic to understand the meaning of the concept. So the first lesson is totally based on the secretary. The first question comes into our mind, what is secretary? So secretary is an individual person who should have some degree, who should have some skills which is required to be a part of the company. So being a secretary has to maintain all the secret information on behalf of the management, on behalf of the company. So he is one of the person who secure the most important position in the company. The secretary is not a new word, it's not a new concept. It is started from the ancient timing. Until the late 19th century, persons were involved in the daily correspondence and the activity which was related to the finance that has been assumed with the word of the secretary. So the secretary called in a different way, like in the Latin word it is called as the secretarium, secretarius, which means the secret. That means the person who can maintain the secret information, he is called as the secretus. The word secretary is derived from the Latin word in the Latin information that is called as the secretarius, which means someone who works for the person of a great importance. As you can see this chart, the secretary meaning has been changed by the time to time. In the Latin language, it is called as the secretarius. That means a confidential writer or the officer with whom secret information can be kept by the employer. In the Roman Empire, the name secretary was the scribe, and the meaning a professional letter writer and the one who maintained the confidential record. In the Indian history, the name of the secretary was the Amitya, Sachiva and the Chitnis. That means a person who does the work of the secretary work. So there are some another definition also which describe about the secretary. The Oxford Dictionary defines a secretary a person whose work is to write for others, especially the one who is employed to conduct the correspondence, keeping the records, to transact the various other business for another person, or maybe for society or for the corporation or for a public body. So there are different type of the organization where the secretary requirement can be changed. So the content from the lesson number 1 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.